Hello, this is Fangli Cai and welcome to my FSE Chatroom Demo. The project's purpose is to create a web-based app for real-time chatting. There are 5 goals we pursue. First, register for the app with a new username and password. That means you can only register with a username hasn't been registered before. Second, log in with the correct username and password pair. Third, when other users post messages, you can see them on the screen. Fourth, you can post a message. And last one, leave the chat room not by simply close the tab or the window. Okay, here's my design part. I write front-end codes with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and use Node.js with Express.js framework to build the back-end server. I choose my circle as my chat room database, and the whole procedure can be simplified as a user log into the client and send a message to the server. The server will store the message for data persistence and then load that message from database with an auto-generated timestamp. The server will emit that loaded message back to the client and broadcast it to other clients. Once the clients receive a message from the server, it will display it on the screen. As for code structure, I classify them into folders by the suffix. The index.html is the main view page file, and the style.cs file is for decoration, and client.js is for client interaction processing. All the backend codes are in server.js, and other script files like db.sql and dbtest.js are tool scripts for development and maintenance. Besides the technologies I mentioned before, I use Git for version control. Now please allow me to show you show you the chat room. First, let's run server. Okay. And we visit localhost at port 8080. As you can see here, I have registered my name into database, and if I re-registered my name here, you can see it can't be allowed. So if I type some meaningless password into it and click login, you can see login failed. So it only allow correct password. Now I enter my chat room and the title changes to my username. As you can see, here's some chat history. There are a lot of chat history and some meaningless. You can see once I enter my chat room and all the chat history will be loaded. Let's type some message. You can see hello FSE and click send. You can see this message has been loaded and displayed on my screen. So if I create another client with another user, you can see this user has been registered, right? Login. Okay, you can see my previous message Fangli Cai, and here the username is me, and I can type hello Fangli Cai. Click send. You can see this message is displayed here. And if I quit the chat room and I use this username, continue typing some meaningless message, you can't see the message here. Only if you re-enter the chat room, you can see the message. So how about logging Now, how about register a new username? Let's use FSE Chatroom. Password can be simple. Let me see, 1 2 3 5 4 6 7. Okay, if this username hasn't been registered, you can see here, refresh, register done, please login. See here, a new username has been registered, and if we register it, it can be allowed. And we click login. Here I enter the chat room and I type some message, and chat history will show this message, and this MID means message ID is auto generated, and timestamp here, create here, is also auto generated. Let me see. I can see all the clients can see that message. Let's click quit, and quit. So let's re-enter the chat room, login here. Everything is right. Quit. At the end, here are some websites I referred during the development, and that's all. Thank you.